Rachel, thank you for the first alert. And now we are joined by Dr. Patel and Dr. Marcus here with Virginia Eye Institute. We're talking about pediatric eye screenings, the importance of them. So let's get right into it, guys. How early should children have their eyes checked?
So all children should be screened at birth by their pediatrician. It's very important to pick up on any visual concerns that could affect their development. Additionally, any pediatrician, parents, or caregivers that have noticed any issues with their child's vision should come in and see an eye care provider for a comprehensive exam.
Got it. So sounds kind of interesting. So what challenges are there that children receive during these exams? Like, what should we know about?
So during an exam, the kids will test their vision and their eye movements and their pupils and check out all the different parts of the eye to make sure that their visual behavior is normal and that they can actually see if they can read the charts. So we can see kids starting at birth if we think that there is a problem, but they should definitely get screened from birth going forward at their regular pediatric checkups and make sure that before they start school, they're able to see well.
Got it. Now, some of these screenings, they can happen at school, right? So what happens at a pediatric eye exam? What can we expect with that?
Yeah, so they'll come in, like Dr. Marcus said, we'll look at their eye movements, their ocular alignment, the overall health, and also check their vision at various distances. We will also dilate their eyes with eye drops to then see if they need glasses, and also just look at the overall health of their eyes.
So if they're getting these screenings at schools and they pass the screening, do they still need to come see you guys?
Yes, absolutely, if there are any concerns outside of the screening. So sometimes kids will do really well. They'll read with one eye and remember what the letters were, something like
sneaky
that.
Kids, huh?
Yeah. But if the parents or the teachers or anybody else has concerns that's interacted with the child, it's a really good idea to have a more in-depth eye exam to make sure that there aren't any issues, especially with kids who have developmental issues, because they can sometimes go unnoticed in terms of having an eye problem, and that could be affecting all the other things we're working on with them.
I was going to ask, why is it important that we get eye screenings, but you're kind of touching on that. But is there a certain age, like how early we should bring a child to come see you guys? Is that?
Yeah, so like we said, the pediatrician will definitely let them know if it's earlier, but as long as they seem like they're doing okay before school if possible. But other than that, usually parents, teachers will notice when they need to come in and see you.
Okay, and you guys are located where? Virginia Eye Institute, but which location do you guys practice at? Where are you guys at?
We have pediatric offices at most of our locations. We have availability with our eye care providers who are able to see the kids really starting very young. So just give us a call and we'll help you schedule an appointment.
All right, there you guys go. The importance of pediatric eye screenings. We'll be right back with more 12 About Town today.